Hello my dear students, today I'm going to teach you future tense. So let's get started. As you know that each tense has four subparts. So future tense has also its four subparts. First is future indefinite tense. Second is future continuous tense. Third is future perfect tense. And the fourth one is future perfect continuous tense. And future indefinite tense is also called simple future, and future continuous tense is also called future progressive. So let's get started with our first slide. So definition first. Simple future tense. The simple future tense is used for indicating those actions that we think will happen in the future. In other words, we predict the future. It means future tense, simple future tense is used to talk about actions that will take place in future only. Fine. And it is also used for making predictions based on our prior knowledge. Right. So the two features of simple future tense are two features I'm talking about. First is to talk about actions that will take place in future, and second for making predictions based on our prior knowledge. Okay, I hope it's clear. Let's move on to our next slide. Yes, so this is the timeline, and this point stands for present time, this denotes past, and this stands for future time, and this more is in the position of running, and here it's showing 9 o'clock. So if I say the boy will run at 9 o'clock, it means I'm talking about an action that will take place in future, right? And if I say Rohan will run at 9 o'clock tomorrow, in this sentence also I'm talking about an action that will take place in future, and that is that will take place in future. So that is the simplest way to understand simple future tense. So moving on to my next slide. Okay, another timeline for better understanding of the concept. Here, just look at this timeline. This here is written now, and here is written after now. If I say, let me read the sentence. The activity will happen after now. Okay, so here I'm talking about a work or an action that will take place not now but after now. It means that an activity that will take place in only future. Fine. So this is only simple future tense. Let's understand this with the help of two examples. Child will play. Children will play. Here, child is the subject. Will is obviously, since it is simple future tense, we are supposed to use the rule. The rule or the formation of simple future tenses. Let me explain the formation first. The rule. Subject plus will or shall plus verb form, that is base form of verb followed by object. And here there is a sentence of simple future tense. Child will play, children will play. Here in both these sentences, in sentence number 1, child is the subject. Here in sentence number 2, children is the subject. But child is singular and children is plural. But similarity here is that whether in simple future tense, whether your subject is singular or plural. In simple future tense, whether your subject is singular or plural, you have to use only will or shall as a helping verb. Okay, in both the subjects, whether the subject is singular or plural, you are supposed to use only will or shall, it will not remain, it will not change, it will remain as it is. Okay, so that is the beautiful aspect of simple future tense. Moving on to my next slide. Let's see its formation once again. Simple future tense: subject plus will or shall plus verb, base form of verb. Basically, it should be base form. By mistake, I have written will. So, what is the formation of simple future tense? Subject plus will or shall plus base form of verb. Example: I will go to Thailand. Second example, and it's a negative sentence. I will not go to Thailand. Similarly, you will form an interrogative sentence using the same pattern. Okay, I hope it is clear. Moving on to my next slide. Let's understand simple future tense with the help of these two pictures. Simple future tense: I am sleepy. I'm feeling sleepy and tired. So here, I think it's a tiger. He's making a statement that he's feeling tired and sleepy. To which this boy, and when he says that I'm feeling tired and sleepy, now here, boy, I think he's a boy. What he's saying, I will get you some coffee. It means he is speaking in simple future tense because here we have used will after the subject. Okay, moving on to the next picture. I will dash to school by car. So here you have to fill the appropriate verb form. And as per the rule, you know that it's very well that in simple future tense, will always follow the base form of verb. It means the answer is go. I will go to school by car. I hope you have understood simple future tense and its formation. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.